hesitation. Anong pangalan niya? Mahina ka rin. Hindi ko kayo marinig. Yung mga nandiyan sa 4th floor, 5th floor, pwedeng parinig. Anong pangalan ng ating celebrity guest? Yes, nako, ramdam ko na ang kilig ninyong lahat. And I do know that you're all excited. However, just to tell you very quickly, again, this application is already available on both iOS and Android. And the best part is, napakadali po. Friendly po siya. User-friendly ang app po natin. At hindi po kayo magkakamali dahil agad-agad po, pag nag-click po kayo, meron na po kayo sundo agad-agad. Tama ba, mga pick-up citizens? Okay. Nako, nararamdaman ko na ang kilig ninyong lahat. Sino? Sino? Nako, without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, I know that you're all looking forward to this particular performance. Our country's most sought-after actor and one of the only Mr. Paolo Avelino!
thank you everyone for coming out. Masaya ako at naimbitahan ako para kumanta at makita kayong lahat para sa Peak Up. I'm very happy and very proud of Proudly Pinoy, that company. Everyone here should be proud of Peak Up as well. Anyway, let's go straight to our next song so I can go around